Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Yahoo Fantasy how to view previous seasons. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To view your previous seasons in Yahoo Fantasy Sports, what you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar type in sports.yahoo.com. Now once the page loads, simply sign into your account. Now once you are signed into your account, what you need to do is tap on this three horizontal bar on the top left of the screen, and then here tap on fantasy, or simply tap on the drag down menu and choose your fantasy sport. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on your profile on the top left of the options. Now you'll be sent to the Yahoo Fantasy, and then all you gotta do is tap on history, and now you'll see a list of past teams and leagues. Select any entry to access detailed information about that season. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.